This video is sponsored by KOSPET. Today we're taking a look at the KOSPET MAGIC P10, a smartwatch that KOSPET advertises as being affordable and feature-rich. What's up, internet? I'm MacDuff, aka BMAC, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today we are going to be taking a look at the KOSPET MAGIC P10 smartwatch and how it can fit into your everyday life, no matter where your day takes you. But first things first, we do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to KOSPET for actually sponsoring this video. So KOSPET, thank you. Appreciate you. But with that having been said, as is usually the case anytime we're talking about smartwatches, there are a lot of features and tech specs to go over here. So let's start things out with the design of the KOSPET MAGIC P10 and what it looks like on the outside. The KOSPET MAGIC P10 features 3/16L stainless steel bezels and an ultra slim build with a 1.96-inch AMOLED display that has a 331 ppi pixel density rating capable of up to 1,000 nits of brightness. In the front glass, is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with anti-fingerprint technology and wet touch support, all of which are, together, rarities in a smartwatch at this price point. You're also gonna notice a rotating crown and a button for simple watch navigation, and there is also a built-in microphone and speaker for alerts, media playback, or even taking a phone call right on the MAGIC P10 itself. On the back of the watch is where you're gonna be able to see the heart rate sensor and, of course, your charging port. And the MAGIC P10 itself, despite all of its ruggedness, still only weighs in at about 50 grams, making it lighter and slimmer despite all the features that it's packing. Now the MAGIC P10 does also come with a classic pin buckle rubber strap, but the straps are interchangeable, so you can swap them out for something like this leather strap that I have on it right now. But the physical design of the MAGIC P10 is only a small part of what KOSPET is proud of with this smartwatch, because the performance is what they think will actually make you really start to appreciate it. For one thing, KOSPET has designed the MAGIC P10 with outdoor fitness in mind, with access to pro modes and dual band GPS to keep you connected no matter where you travel. More specifically, the dual band GPS there is composed of the L1 and L5 Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS technology, for better accuracy when you're up in the mountains or even in your local city. So whether you're walking, hiking, running, cycling, or any of the other available activities, KOSPET has designed the GPS to lock onto you and track your activity no matter where you are or what you're doing, so that you can see an accurate summary of it in your post-workout data screen. There are actually 180 different activity modes with the ability to track your fitness, which includes 16 professional workouts and over 160 different sport modes, so that no matter what activity you're about to track, chances are the MAGIC P10 will cover it. And a lot of what makes this possible on this smartwatch is the inclusion of a 6-axis gyroscope, a geomagnetic sensor, a barometric altimeter sensor, and an ambient light sensor. And to cap all that off, the KOSPET MAGIC P10 supports Bluetooth 5.3 to allow for a strong, stable, and even long distance connection to your connected device. But the real heart and soul of what KOSPET says enables this tracking is their advanced 4PD sensor. KOSPET says that this next-gen 4PD sensor is similar to the same kind used in high-end wearables like the Apple Watch or Garmin, delivering data for heart rate variability, stress factors, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, and more, all right on your wrist. And all that is complete with anti-interference performance and lower power consumption. You are also getting an IP69K rating, the highest ingress protection rating for top-tier dust and water resistance, built right into the MAGIC P10, which means the MAGIC P10 is capable of withstanding dust and also high pressure water, even high temperature water jets. And with a 5 ATM rating, that means you could actually go swimming with the MAGIC P10 in water up to 164 feet deep. Now, of course, all the most important information can be set up, tracked, and viewed right on the MAGIC P10 display itself, but there is also the ability to open up the Apex Move companion app that you could download for iOS or Android. That's where you'll have full control over your MAGIC P10 and access to all of its helpful features and data that it could track, so be sure to check that out. But with all these features we're talking about, how long could you actually expect the MAGIC P10 to last for? What's the battery life looking like on this smartwatch? As is usually the case, battery performance is of course going to vary from person to person, depending on use and a few other factors. But the battery in the MAGIC P10 is going to be a 450 milliampere hour battery that in general KOSPET is promising could deliver up to 12 days with regular use, up to 8 days of heavy use, or even up to 50 days on standby. If you use the always on display feature, the battery life is going to drop to around 3 to 5 days, and your continuous GPS workout usage is going to be around 15 to 16 hours total. So like I said, variable battery life numbers depending on how you're actually using your Magic P10, but numbers that KOSPET is still very proud of in this smartwatch. And when the time comes to recharge your Magic P10, that could easily be done through the included magnetic charging cable, because it's going to snap right into place and start charging immediately. But with all this having been said, here are the most important things to remember about the KOSPET Magic P10 and why you might want to consider it for your next smartwatch. KOSPET is positioning the Magic P10 as one of their most complete smartwatch options for daily use, with what they believe to be combining pro-level fitness tracking, a sleek and durable design, and modern health technology all in one powerful wearable at a price of under $200. Whether you're an urban professional balancing work and wellness, an outdoor vlogger who enjoys light hikes and fitness routines, or even a tech-savvy user who values daily health tracking with a premium-looking smartwatch, KOSPET is positioning the Magic P10 into the smartwatch market as a competitive option. Once again, a huge thank you and a shout out to KOSPET for sponsoring this video, and to find out about the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the KOSPET Magic P10, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/magicp10, or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. But with that having been said, it is actually time for me to go get my daily workout in. I think I might just have to track it with the Magic P10 since it's on my wrist, ready to go. I'll see you guys in my next video.